guys, what's up and welcome back. Today I'm gonna do a summer makeup look and I am gonna be sharing my 2 cents of this month, which is from Dossier, which I'm very excited to share. And one of the scent from them has become my top favorite of all perfumes of all times. I have them here with me, but you guys have to wait a little to check them out because I'm gonna start my makeup first, and then when I put the perfume on, I'm gonna share it with you guys and tell you all about it. Alright, so today's makeup is gonna be a little bit not goldeny, but I would say a little bit of a glow. It's gonna give the skin a little glow, and I'm gonna put the glow with my foundation. So I'm gonna use the Tarte foundation, and I'm gonna use it with L'Oreal Paris Lumi Glotion. So I'm gonna mix this two and add it as my foundation base. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some here, and then I'm gonna take my foundation as well here, and use a brush to, first of all, I'm just gonna mix it a little bit here in my hand, like so. As you can see. Oh, all right. So I have some here. I'm gonna take my brush and just look at that. It has such a natural color tone. I think this is the reason why I love Tarte, because it matches my color so well that it doesn't even look like you're applying a foundation. So you guys should check out my last 2 months scent of the month, because they are also really good. And then you get a variety of options to choose from because they have so many scents. And the best part about them is that if by any chance you don't like some kind of scent and you get it, you can return it for free. They'll take it back, and then you can get some other friend and they have some other scent, and they won't say a thing. So it's so good about that. I don't think so any other perfumes does that. And another best ever thing is that they are just not any normal scents. They are inspired by all the luxurious brands, and if you buy them and you're gonna be like, oh my god, this smells exactly like this brand, the same perfume, and it costs so less, and it's just so amazing. So I love that thing, because I don't want to keep buying expensive perfumes every month and finish it so fast. I mean, I'm like, when I can get the same scent for less price, why not? Now I'm gonna apply the concealer, and I'm using it from, this is from NARS. Let's go ahead and blend it. I normally blend it with my foundation brush. The next thing I'm gonna start with is eyes. So I have my eye palette here. This is from Profusion Cosmetics, and it's a nude palette. As you can see, I am gonna try something new. It might come out good, it might not, but let's try it. Why not? So I'm gonna start with the color Tarte over here, this color. And what my plan is to do it inside and the edges, and then in the middle I'm gonna do a shimmer kind of thing. So let's see. Shimmering, I'm gonna do West Coast, which is this color. I'm just gonna dab it in. Then on top of the West Coast, I am going to do Exclusive, which is like this color, as you can see, this one. I'm just gonna dab it in to give that shine, you know, just to help it pop out a little bit. I'm gonna be using L'Oreal Paris Waterproof Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. So let's go ahead. And also, let me show you the way I like to apply my mascara. Is that I take a mirror, and then I never put my mascara holding my mirror like this, like so, you know. I usually take it down and look at like this, you know, like this. Look down at it basically, and then apply it. Then it gives you a good lift. Already see the difference in this eye and this eye. Does this happen with you guys? Every time I apply mascara, a little dot comes here. Let me go and clean it. Little water break. Now we are gonna contour, and I am gonna be using Wet n Wild Duo Stick. So I'm gonna use the side of theirs to contour. Again, I use my foundation brush again. So recently I've been trying to do different kind of makeups, and I did try a makeup using only one brush, and it come out very good. Except, oh no, I even used the same brush for highlighting and blush. So that's what I am trying to do. Now I have this NYX Duo Contour Palette, and I'm going to use the lighter side to highlight my under eye. So I don't use much, very little bit, but it gives a very nice, refreshing look. When you pat it down here. And now I'm gonna do blush and highlight together. So let's see how I do that. I'm using this NYX Sweet Cheeks. This is a soft cheek tint blush mousse color. So what I do, it looks like a lipstick, like so, but then I just take some, and for blush I like to do it upward like this, so it gives a little, you know, that chic look. So let's go ahead and add it, apply it. I do 2 dots. As you can see, they both are going up, and then I take my highlighter. This is from Rare Beauty, and this is in color Flaunt. I take some, apply it here, one, here, like so. Here and here, and some right here in my nose, very tiny bit here and here. I'm gonna be using the same brush, so I'm gonna blend my nose first, very gently, yeah, like this, to give a nice shine, as you can see. And then I'm gonna do my eye. For lipstick, I'm gonna use Tarte today, and this is Body Surf. So this can be actually used in the day and as well as night. So I really like this color. You can see how it is. So let's go ahead. It has a little shimmer on it, so yeah, this is the color, and I love this color. Because I love this color so much and I don't want to run out of it, I have the exact same color, 2 of them. And lastly, I am gonna set my entire makeup with this Tarte Stay Spray. So let's go ahead. It smells so good, this one. you don't really have to do this, but it automatically happens with me. Every time I spray something in my face, I'm like, let's dry it off, let's dry it off. But yeah, my makeup is done, and now I'm very excited to share with you the 2 cents of the month, and I hope you are excited as well. So let's go ahead and start with the perfume. The first one, the first one is powdery coconut. This is how it looks, and this one is inspired by, like I told you, they are inspired by all the luxurious brands. So this one is inspired by Tom Ford and Soleil Blanc. So it also tells you everything about the perfume, the top notes and middle notes and base notes, what it smells like, so you know what you are smelling. Sometimes you smell but you can't recall what it is like, and here you can do that. So this one is powdery coconut, and it smells so good. Oh my god. And the next one that I am the most excited about, and like I told you, this has become my top favorite of all perfumes ever. This one is floral honeysuckle, and here is the bottle. Super cute, like all the bottles are super cute. And this one is inspired by Gucci Bloom. When I first smelled this, I was like, oh my god, I am gonna die, because it is so freaking good. No matter what perfume I buy from them, I'm always gonna have this one in my collection. It's soothing. Even when I go to sleep, I want to put this and go to sleep, because I want to smell this while sleeping. It's literally that good, and I'm not kidding. So trust me, the links will be in the description box below, so you guys can check it out. And I have literally become a obsessed fan of this floral honeysuckle. And the top notes of these ones are green leaves, orange, and honeysuckles. So yeah, it tells you everything about the perfume. It's just so good. And like I told you, they are very easygoing. If you don't like some kind of smell, you can return it to them and get a different bottle. But trust me, you're gonna love all the scent. And this one, Gucci, this one which is inspired by Gucci's Bloom, has become my favorite. You guys need to try it, and let me know how you like it. Today's makeup is done, and I have already shared the scent of the month, which I was so excited, because every month I'm like, oh my god, I cannot wait to share the scent of the month with you guys, because when there's something very good out there, I really want for all of you to know about it, because I don't want you guys to miss on it. And yeah, that's why I'm here making these videos for you guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to check out the description box below for the links, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.